Yeah, this water falling from the rock. Have a look at it. Yeah. So wonderful. Water falling from the top. Wonderful. Look at the way water is falling. It's high tech. If you have your brain, come and do your own. Thank you. Yeah, that's from Colin Seku. Please thumbs up for me and put your comment. What do you think about this water falling? Please put up your comments. Thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you as you watch. This is great. Teach your children how to produce. Teach your children how to find new things in life. So keep on learning. Thank you from Colin Seku. Keep on learning from Colin Seku. This is high tech. Can you imagine? Wonderful. Keep on learning. May God bless us to learn from Colin Seku. Thank you. Thank you. I'm on top of water now. On top of water, enjoying. Thank you. Yeah. From Colin Seku. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I'm on top of water. Thank you for watching. Thank you.